container ship capsized, sank at Iranian port. General cargo ship SL Star capsized and sank along berth at Rajaee Port, Bandar Abbas, Iran, Persian Gulf, in the morning March 19, while performing cargo operations. Reportedly, discrepancies between dockers and crew led to stability loss. Either cargo shifted or was wrongly loaded. The ship had 153 containers on board, some of them already surfacing and floating around. 14 crew, mainly Indians, are reported to be safe. General cargo ship with container capacity SL Star, IMO 9,432,452, DWT 4210, built 2007, flag Comoros, manager SEA LINK Shipping LLC, U.